Hello friend, my name is PJ. I'm the CMO of the PT nexbio International. This program is supported by the nexbio Academy. I want to share to you about the best technology of nexbio. The first thing I want to say to you the cause of not maximize the harvest result. There are 4 points. The first point is low of soil nutrients. The second point is nutrients are abundant but cannot be absorbed. The third point is the interrupt photosynthesis process due to the climate change. And the fourth point is the pest and the disease attack. As you know, these 4 points can cause, once again, of not the maximize the harvest result. The first, we talk about the low of soil nutrients. Why the soil nutrient become low? There are 3 factors. The first factor is the use of chemical fertilizer and pesticide kill soil microbes that provide the natural nutrients. The second factor is the high planting intensity, continuously planted without the soil treatment. The third factor is the soil erosion can erode the topsoil layer that contain the nutrients. The second, why is the nutrients are abundant but cannot be absorbed by the plant? There are some conditions that happen in the soil. The first condition is the soil pH is not suitable. Example, if the acidic or below 5.5, the element of phosphate, calcium, magnesium, and others are not available because they are bound to aluminum and Fe. The second condition is base. Base is up 7.5 pH. It makes the elements like Fe, Zn, Cu, and Mn is difficult to absorb because they are bound to CaCO3. The second condition why the nutrients are abundant but cannot be absorbed is the solid soil condition. Because when the soil becomes solid, it is lack of oxygen, so inhibits the roots and microbial activity. The third condition, the lack of microbial activity. So the microbes is dead or less due to the pesticide and chemical fertilizer usability. So this is the first 2 conditions that happen according to the nutrient. The first is low of soil nutrient and the second is nutrient are abundant but cannot be absorbed. These 2 first things can make the nutrient are lacking. So if the plant lacking of nutrient, the growth is disturbed. So the third point why the growth is disturbed is the photosynthesis process is disturbed due to the climate change. As you know that climate change can make the plants is lack of sunlight or lack of water. As you know that the photosynthesis process is need the sunlight, need water, and need the carbon dioxide. So when the good photosynthesis happen, it can fulfill the carbohydrates. When the carbohydrate is fulfilled, so it make the roots become strong. When the roots is become strong, so the nutrient absorption is increases. But the opposite, if bad photosynthesis happen, the carbohydrate it cannot be fulfilled. So if the carbohydrate cannot be fulfilled, the roots become weak. If the root become weak, the roots cannot be absorb the nutrient from the soil. So because of the lack of sunlight or lack of water, so once again, if nutrients are lacking, the growth is disturbed. So this is the third point why your growth plan is disturbed and the harvest result is cannot maximum. So now we continue the fourth point why your plant growth is disturbed and the harvest result is not maximum. The pest attack and disease. As you know that the pest attack and disease is destroying plants so that the nutrients cannot be absorbed to the maximum. The first condition, damage to the leaves. If damage the leaf is can make the reduce of the leaf area. It can be decrease the photosynthesis process. So decrease photosynthesis, it means less nutrient. The second condition, destroying the roots. So the roots unable to absorb water and nutrient. So the photosynthesis process is disrupted and less nutrient. The third condition is destroying the stems, hindering nutrient transportation. It means lack of nutrient. And the fourth condition is sucking fluid and spreading the virus, like dwarf, curly, and etc. And the fifth condition is reducing the fruit quality. This is the dangerous of the pest attack and disease, so it can bother the growth of your plant. But now you don't have to worry because in nexbio we have the nexbio technology solution. We have three best technology for you. The first technology is the premium microbes, and the second technology is the nanotechnology, and the third technology is the HCl technology. The first I want to share to you about the premium microbes. What is the premium microbes? Premium microbes, every our products are equipped with the premium microbes, not like the ordinary microbes. It's selected from the selected microbes, bred in a special way, and are able to double the number 2 billion of time. The second technology is nanotechnology. Our products, particles, are created with the nanotechnology, so they have a nano size, about 1 per 10 million times smaller than ordinary particle. This allows instant absorption to the plant, fish, and livestock. The third technology is the HCl, inspired by the human immune system by producing the hypochlorous acid or HCl. We success to produce the HCl outside the body of human with the Japanese technology, using the composition of HCl and water to fight the viruses, bacteria, and the other microorganisms. The benefit of HCl, it is very safe for human, for animal, for plant. But in other side, it is very strong to kill the viruses, bacteria, and microorganism without kill the good bacteria. And the HCl, it not make the microorganism become resistant. So this is the best technology of nexbio technology solution for you. So if you want to have the abundant harvest with the nexbio, you should follow the three phases of our product use. The first phase is the land improvement phase. We have two products for this. The first product is the nexbio soil treatment, and the second is nexbio growth stimulator. The second phase is the growth phase plants. You need the nexbio fertilizer vegetative. This is the liquid one for the fertilizer. And the third phase is the feeding phase plant. You can use the nexbio fertilizer generative. This is the powder fertilizer for feeding phase plant. So in the growth phase plant and the feeding phase plant, you can make the prevention or to kill the bad bacteria, virus, fungi, and parasite with our 5 product. It's called nexbio organic pesticide. This is the product that contain HCl. So if you using our product in every phase in your agricultural cultivation, I'm very sure that your harvest become abundant. So this is the detail how is our product can make your harvest become abundant. The first we talk about in the soil retention phase on in a land improvement phase. In this phase we have two products. The first is the nexbio growth stimulator and the second is nexbio soil treatment. The first I want to say to you about the nexbio growth stimulator. Nexbio growth stimulator is the extract of humus. As you know that there are two categories. The first is the ordinary humus and the second is the modern humus that we call that nexbio growth stimulator. This is extract humus, okay? So the first I want to share you about the source and how to form. The ordinary humus is the composition of plant residues or compost in the top of the soil. It forms quickly, many in the fertile soils that are given organic material. But different with our product is come from the old peat layer in the decomposed Russian swamp in the very long time. So the age it can be hundreds of years old. The second, the chemical content and the properties. The ordinary humus It contains a mixture of the humic acid, etc., and the rest of the incomplete organic materials. But ordinary humus is very easily eaten by microbes, and the life in the land is very short. Different with our product. Our product is richer in pure humic acid. It's very stable and complex carbon and sulfate acid. So it is more durable life in the ground. This is the difference between the ordinary humus and the modern humus. Our product is the extract of the humus, nexbio growth stimulator. So you can see the picture from the swamp in the Russia. We take the nexbio growth stimulator is not from the top of the soil, but from the middle of the swamp of the Russian swamp. And we can make with the technology, this pit is become liquid in our product. It's called nexbio growth stimulator. So nexbio growth stimulator is very rich in organic materials to attract and bind the cation, and it is the home to long-term microbes. And the third is it's activated the microbes, and the fourth thing is increase the cation exchange function. It is the very stable food reserve. This is the function of the nexbio growth stimulator. The second product in the land improvement phase is nexbio soil treatment. The main content of the nexbio soil treatment is premium microbes. What is the difference between the common microbes and the premium microbes? The first category, we talk about strain. The common microbe generally only one or two types of microbes. Common strains, then easy to obtain, different with the premium microbes. Our product is superior strain from selection or engineering, can be mixed multi-strain that support each other. The second category is the strain quality. The common microbes is not always pure, often mixed with unwanted wild microbes. But premium microbes is very pure, tested in the laboratory, free of contaminant and consistent between the production batch. The third category is the population density. The common microbe is low to medium, usually under 10 to the power of 7 CFU per milliliter or per gram. But premium microbes, the population density is very high. It can be more than 10 to the power of 8 or 9 CFU per milliliter or gram, so it works faster. The fourth category is staying power or durability. The common microbe is easier to die if environmental conditions change, like pH, temperature, or humidity. But the premium microbes is more resistant to environmental variation. It can last longer if stored. The fifth category is the performance. The common microbes is slow effect, inconsistent result, but the premium microbes is fast effect, stable result, and low doses. So this is the content of nexbio soil treatment. The first, it contained by chemical residue decomposer. The second, premium microbes. The third, quick humor humus. So the nexbio soil treatment, it can unravel the soil chemical residue. The second, kill bacteria pathogen in the soil, phosphate and potassium solvent. And the fourth thing, it helps dissolve the microhara element, micronutrient. So in the land improvement phase, these two products is working together. Nexbio growth stimulator is become the home for the premium microbes, and it is the reserve food for the premium microbes. And the nexbio soil treatment is supply the premium microbes that works to make your land is become improved. So this is the benefit if you use the nexbio in the land improvement phase. You can see at the left up image, you can see that this is the condition before you using the land improvement product. in the nexbio. That is your soil condition. You see that the green cycle is the nutrient, but you can see that the red cycle is bond the nutrient in the soil. So if the nutrient is bonded by the red one, it's called the chemical residue. The nutrient cannot be absorbed by the roots. So when you use our product, you can see the right image. You can see the nutrient, the bond of the chemical residue is released. There are no chemical residue anymore. So you can see that the nutrient can be easily absorbed by your roots. The second benefit, you can see the left bottom of the picture. You can see that before, your land or your soil condition is broken. So if the soil is broken, it is very solid. The soil cannot become the water reserve for the plant, and the oxygen cannot enter the soil. So it can bother the growth of the microbes there. So after you use our product for the land improvement phase, your soil is become very good. The structure is very good. The pH is normal. So it can become the water reserve for your plants. And the oxygen can easily to enter to the soil. So the premium microbes and the other good microbes can be easily live in your soil. The third benefit is before, as you can see at the image, at the picture, you can see the bad bacteria the amount is more bigger than the good bacteria. But when you using our product in the land improvement phase, the good bacteria is become more higher, more bigger than the bad microbes. Why? Because the premium microbes, the good microbes, it can kill the bad microbes in your soil. So it is very important, because when the good microbes or the good bacteria the amount is more bigger than the bad bacteria, so the disease cannot attack your plants. So this is the three benefit if you using our product in the land improvement puzzle. So the next phase is the nutritional phase. We have two products here. The first is the green fertilizer. This is the vegetative fertilizer with the nanotechnology. And the red one is the generative organic fertilizer. So the difference between the nexbio fertilizer with the ordinary fertilizer is the particle of our product is the nanoparticle. The nanoparticle size is 1 per 10 million times smaller than the ordinary particle. As you can see at the picture, this is the illustration between the ordinary particle and the nanoparticle. But it is not real. If you see the real, it is more smaller than the picture. Why nanoparticle is important? Because with the nanoparticle, the nutrient can very easily absorb into the plants through the lenticel of the stem pore or through the stomata, the mouth of the leaf. So this cannot be happen with the ordinary particle. As you can see, the ordinary particle, the particle is very big. It cannot easily to enter the plants through the lenticel. As you can see that the hole is very small. Only the product with the nanoparticles can be easily enter into that hole. So this is very important. So this is why we call this our product is the instant food for your plants. Nexbio fertilizer is not just easy or very easy to absorb, but the content is very complete. This is the 5-in-1 products. As you can see, it contains the macronutrients. nitrogen, phosphate, and kalium. It contains the micronutrient. There are a lot of micronutrients that contain in the next biofertilizer, like boron, magnesium, calcium, and the others. The third thing is it contains the premium microbes. The fourth thing, it contains the biological growth stimulant. The fifth thing, it contains the residue decomposing agents. So with this product is can stand alone. You don't have to edit the others product. It is very complete product and it is very easily to absorb to your plants. So the last thing, you can see this is the maintenance pace. You can use this product nexbio organic pesticide to prevention or to kill the viruses, bacteria or other microorganisms in your agricultural cultivation. This nexbio organic pesticide, it contains the HCl. It is very effectively to kill pathogens and micropests. HCl is a strong antimicrobial, able to kill bacteria, fungi, and spores quickly, suitable for controlling the plant diseases like root rot, leaf spot, mold, etc. And the fourth thing, it is environmentally friendly. The fifth thing is HCl is easily decomposed into the H2O water and NaCl salt without leaving harmful residues, and does not pollute soil, water, and air. So it is very safe for humans and animals. Does not cause the rapid resistance. HCl works oxidatively, destroy the membrane and pathogenic protein. So it is more difficult to fight by bacteria and fungi. So with our product, we already help a lot of farmers in Indonesia. There are thousands of testimony in Indonesia, and we already help the others farmer from the outside of Indonesia, like Africa, Malaysia, and the others country. So this product, it can make the farmers is become have the abundant harvest result, because this is very easy to application, and the fee of the agricultural cultivation is very low. So the last one, this is the 7 miracle of using nexbio product. The first, farmers can cultivate while improving the land. The second, nutrients can be absorbed maximum without photosynthesis process. The third thing is it is contain the complete contents, so it can stand alone. The fourth thing is able to kill disease, not only release but kill disease. The fifth thing is easy application method, lightweight and economical price. The sixth thing is pure 100% organic. And the seventh thing is can be used for fishery and livestock. So friend, you can try now the nexbio product, and you can visit us in the www.nexbio.academy to follow our tutorial, our testimony, and the other thing. So with the nexbio, we grow together the future. Good to try nexbio product.